Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to get your Robinhood tax documents. If you don't have a Robinhood account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. We will also put links in the description below for similar stock trading apps for you to sign up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so you're the first to know every time we drop a new video. To start, open the website robinhood.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper right part of the page. Click on the option that says Account. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Tax Center. Click on Tax Center. Next, select the year of the tax documents you wish to view. Click on the drop-down arrow and the list will appear. Lastly, click on the option for Download CSV beside the particular document you wish to download. That's how you get your Robinhood tax documents. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.